ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. We are doing linear equations in 2 variables. In that we are doing a different type, and which is very important type from the examination point of view, that is linear equations not given directly, but given indirectly. So, you have to convert them into linear equations and do it. It is called reducible to linear equations. That model we are covering. Now, in that I am trying to do one problem which is very important, asked in the examination too. Solve x plus y by xy is equal to 2, x minus y by xy is equal to 6. This is the question asked in the examination. It is not directly given as 2 linear equations, but there are 2 variables. What are the variables? X and y are the variables. With the help of the variables x and y, which you can see, either you can go by substitution or replacement of x and y, or simplification and solving it. Any method you can adopt. What we do is, first of all, we just cross multiply and see. Then what happens? X plus y is equal to 2 into xy. Is it by cross multiplication? This left side xy is taken to right side, which is becoming 2xy. X plus y is equal to 2xy. Next, similarly, the second equation is x minus y is equal to 6xy. You call this as given equations and call this as 1 and 2. So, the given 2 equations are now changed into 2 equations numbered 1 and 2. Am I right? What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 2xy. What is the second equation? X minus y is equal to 6xy. Just by looking at this, what do you feel like doing? Just tell me. Honestly tell me, what do you feel like doing? If you add it, x plus x is 2x. Am I right? If you add it, y minus y is 0. Y is gone. Therefore, I just add it. Plus indicates that we are adding the 2 lines or 2 equations. X plus x, 2x, y minus y gone. 2xy is equal to 6, is equal to xy is equal to 6xy. Add it. 2xy plus 6xy is 8xy. Am I right? Understood this or not? 2x is equal to 8xy. Can you cancel 2 here? So, you can send x to right side. 2 is equal to 8xy by x. X is also gone. Therefore, you get 8y. Therefore, 8y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by 8, which is 1 by 4 is the value of y. So, we got the value of y as 1 by 4. How to get x value? Substitute y value in equation 1. Substitute y is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equal to 2xy. x plus y is equal to 2xy. What is the value of y? 1 by 4. X plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2x into 1 by 4. You have to simplify it. X plus 1 by 4 is as it is, keep it as it is, leave it like this. 2x into 1 by 4, 2 goes here 2 times, x by 2. Have you understood this or not? Just check it up. Once again, go through the substitution, whether it is correct or not. What is the value of y? 1 by 4. Substitute y equal to 1 by 4 in the first equation or second equation. Do not substitute here, it is a little bit difficult, it becomes lengthy. X plus y equal to 2xy, y equal to 1 by 4, we have written x by 4, x by 2 you got it. So, take this x by 2 to bring it to left side, x minus x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. What is the LCM on the left side? 2. So, 2x minus x is equal to minus 1 by 4. What is 2x minus x? X by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. X is equal to minus 2 by 4. So, again cross multiplication, this denominator goes right side and becomes minus 2 by 4. What is minus 2 by 4? Minus 1 by 4. So, now you got the values of x and y. So, for the solution, x is equal to minus 1 by 4 and y is equal to plus 1 by 4 is the answer for the given pair of equations. So, like this you have to do it. All of you take down the problem. I will explain a similar problem once again and do the similar problem in the next part. If you want, I will explain it. Substitution is not working here, direct simplification getting the answer. X is equal to minus 1 by 4, y is equal to plus 1 by 4 is the answer for this problem.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
I am sorry, is it minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4 or 1 by 2? Look at the answer here. Minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So, what is the value of x? Minus 1 by 2. It is a slip. For this kind of small mistakes, you will be reduced 1 mark or half mark. But if the procedure is correct, sometimes they give full marks. So, I have not checked it. Minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2, which is the answer. A similar problem, almost the same kind of problem, I am doing it now. Take the next problem. I am writing the next problem here. Six x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Six x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. You have to solve this for x and y. Either you can reduce it to the linear equations or just like that. This is also an examination question, solve. How to go ahead? So, what to do? Look at this 6x, 2x. In order to avoid or eliminate the x term here, you have to multiply the first one by 2 and second one by 6, or else second one by 3. Can you multiply the second equation alone by 3? Yes. 3 into 2x is 6x. So, call this as 1, this as 2. So, first equation as it is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. Second equation is multiplied by 3 gives what? Second equation multiplied by 3, 3 into 2 6x plus 3 into 4 12y, 3 into 5 15xy. Understood? Now, what to do? Subtraction or addition? By subtraction or addition, what do you do here? Subtraction. 6x minus 6x is gone. 3y minus 12. So, subtraction means the symbol changes. Here also symbol changes. 3y minus 12y is minus 9y. This is minus 9y is equal to 6xy minus 15xy. What is the value to be substituted? 6x, 6 into 1 plus 3 into y is equal to 6 into 1y. So, it is 6 plus 3y is equal to 6y. 3y minus 6y is equal to minus 6. What is this? Minus 3y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6 by minus 3. Answer is plus 2. Therefore, x y is equal to 1 comma 2 is the answer. So, be careful in doing this problem. So, in order to do this kind of problems, you should be very careful to solve it. Here we have not substituted anything, we have not reduced the equations also, we have just gone by simplification. I hope you understood this.